howdy partner.
You're good to go.
I'm just kidding. Be like, howdy partner. Okay. Hey guys, it's me Maddie here in the AFI DIY lab with a fun little project for you guys to make. Today I'll be making gel air freshener beads. So hit that like button and keep watching if you want to find out how to make this. It's super simple and it's easy to follow along. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So I'm going to start by taking my dry beads and putting them into this container here. And it doesn't really matter what this container looks like as long as it's sealable and you can shake the beads up later. Ooh, ASMR. So the ratio of air freshening liquid to beads depends a lot on the brand of beads that you're using, but you'll usually need about 48 parts liquid to 1 part water beads. Because we're making about 16 ounces of air freshening liquid, we need about 0.32 ounces of dry beads. And remember how much these beads will swell. First up, I've already got my polysorbate measured out in my beaker. So I went through the AFI library to pick out something for these gel beads and I decided on lemon lime. So we're going to stir these two together really well before we add it into the water. I'm going to grab our water here, bring this back in, and we're just going to pour this in, and then we're going to take some time to really make sure this is nice and well mixed together. Alright, now once this is all homogeneous, it's time to add preservative. And because this is a water-based product, you have to have preservative if you plan on selling this to your customers. It just helps it from molding and having any mildew. Oop. Made a little bit of a mess, but I didn't pour this all the way, so that's about a teaspoon. Alrighty. So this smells like lemon lime. Let's add a little bit of pizzazz to it. So I'm gonna grab some green colorant, pour this in here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alrighty. All right, so you have to do that dance break as well. So I'm going to come back to you guys in about 6 to 10 hours when I know that these beads have reached their fullest capacity, and I'll come right back. I'm back, and look how cool these are. Well, it's kind of hard to see how cool they are in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them into our packaging containers. That way you're able to see all the pretty goodness that's inside. It costs us around $6 to make all of these scented gel beads, which can be sold wholesale for up to $10 and retail for $15. Of course, you can always split them up into smaller packaging containers and price them per jar or offer refill packs. Hop on over to our channel where you'll find tons more air freshening DIYs and helpful tips on expanding your line of products. If you followed along in this video, make sure to tag us in our socials link down below and leave us a comment. We always love to read what you guys have to say. You can join me and the rest of the AFI DIY Lab as a member of our notification squad by subscribing and ringing that bell. My name's Maddie, and until next time, thanks for watching.